Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Usually what we do on this channel is all about savings, buying items at a discounted price, looking for promotions. And as you can see on my desk, I got a bunch of Ridgid tools that I recently purchased during Black Friday. It just I'm a big Ridgid fan for the fact that it has a lifetime warranty on the service of the battery, the tool itself. There's no other brand out there that does it or that provides it. For most part, like 3 years or 5 years of warranty, but only Ridgid, lifetime. As long as you register within 90 days. So I have a video regarding about registrations, and recently Ridgid has made the LSA registration for the lifetime. It's extremely easy. For the past 2 times that the last 2 times that I registered, I just go into chat and upload the invoice, and the representative just automatically change the status from pending to LSA immediately. Okay, so before it took like 3 weeks, sometimes like a month before the verify, validate, whatever that is. But now it seems it's a lot easier, quicker, peace of mind. That's how it should be. Okay, so let me show you what I purchased during the last Black Friday. I bought this one over here. It's a cordless fan. I bought a couple batteries. I think this one over here, it's I think $44 for 2. I bought 2 sets of that. I bought this one right here. I already have this in the digital inflator. It's really good. Okay, I used it on my on one of my videos. I actually did like a review on it. It's great. Home Depot has it for $49. I think I bought it for like $34. This one maybe $34 too. And I also bought a little bit of this one right here. Okay, but in this video we're gonna unbox this one right here and see what it has. I also have the Dewalt, but for the Dewalt I think I spent $130, which comes with the fan, the 3 amp battery, and a charger. This one is just the tool itself, but I do have the battery, Ridgid battery over here, so we can test it out. Inside the box, you see here's covered for life, free batteries, free parts, free service for life, and the batteries, it's compatible with a lot of tools out there. Okay, and I have a lot of Ridgid tools, so let's see what inside. Manuals. We don't care much about the manuals. Here again, lifetime warranty, service agreement. Take this fan out. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else in the box, so it goes to the floor. So, let's see. Ooh, we got the hanger, the clip, the belt, whatever you want to call it. Hang it. This is more like for like a job site. Okay, so you can swivel this. Has the brand right here, Ridgid. It has a handle up here, and there's a on and off switch. On the back it says hybrid. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hybrid technology is where. So we can plug this in as well as using the battery. So we might as well put the batteries in, and let's see. Turn it on. This one, when you turn it on, it goes from max to low. Funny. Off. On. Very low. Very low. Up. You can do like 360 or 180. Actually 180. Not quite 180. But see, this is low. You can barely hear it. Turn on a little bit. Let's see how loud it is when I turn it all the way to the max. Alright guys, so now I just brought in my Dewalt so you guys can see the size comparison. I don't know, is it... Okay, so the Dewalt, I've been using it for at least a year and a half. So the design wise, the Dewalt, the handle, this is the Dewalt. You can do the flip as well. It makes that noise, and it does have, you know, you can plug it in directly to the outlet, or you can use a battery. In this case, we can just try to use a battery. Okay, here's the here, handles up here. Turn around for the Dewalt. The Dewalt has the clip here as well. Same. Okay. Let's turn on the to the lowest. See, the Dewalt, when you turn it on, off to on is low. But for the Ridgid, it's from on, it go all the way to max. Okay, we're gonna go all the way to low. I don't know which one is louder. Looks like the Dewalt is louder. This is the Ridgid. And this is the Dewalt. What do you guys think? Which is louder? Let's see the side view, back to back, the Dewalt and the Ridgid, the back of it. That pretty much looks almost. The battery for the Dewalt is from the front, the Ridgid is from the back. But other than that, side. There you go. 133 amp battery. This is my 5 amp. That's not. It doesn't come with the Dewalt. For 130, and this one I think about for $34. So that's pretty much gonna wrap up for this unboxing of the Ridgid Jobsite fan and a quick review. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Other than that, take care and Happy New Year.